You're recording, aren't you?
I'll have to fight the funniness 3 days ago. Oh, dude, my battery's low. That is not cool.
It's funny to me.
My battery's being low for a while, though, probably. Hi. Hi.
Your camera don't have sound, does it?
No, hold on, come on here. Ask her if she wants to fight. Do you want to fight?
Yes, I do. We'll fight. Fight till the death. And guess who's going to win? Me. Ask him how tall he is first. If he's really tall, I'm going to run. I'll kick him in the nuts and run.
He's 8 foot.
Kill me! He could, like, kill me, like, 10 times over. He could, like, take my head and shove it up my butt twice.
Do that deal that you do, the thing that, the little moving thing. Oh, no. Yeah, that thing. I'm 6'2".
He can kill me! He can kill me!
He's exactly a foot taller than me.
Hey, your mom wants you.
What, Mom?
Don't tell me. Is she in there?
In there.
I tried to see her in the bed, in the living room.
She may be in the living room. What?
I found,
Yeah.
I found that other